Well, hello everybody. Today I am doing a fan installation on the trailer. I got the MaxxFan Deluxe, I think is what it's called. It opens and closes by itself. You don't have to worry about running it in the rain. And I got it with the remote control. This is going to go in the bedroom because we don't currently have a powered fan in the bedroom. We currently have just a vent. And the one we have in the bathroom, the fan we have there sucks out. So I'm going to put one in here. It's reversible. It will blow in or suck out depending on what we want to do at the time. But I don't have the fan yet. It's supposed to be here today, but I want to show you, there's a million videos on this fan already. I understand that, but I haven't done one. So I'm going to do one for you. First of all, I'm going to take the old stuff off and I'm going to record some of that, not all of it, because it's going to be tedious and monotonous. So I'm going to record some of it for you, and I'll show you the things that I am using. You won't see my face for a while because I'm going to turn the camera around right. All right. So here we go. See if I can zoom in a little bit. There we are. I might zoom back out. So anyway, as you can see, I'm going to come around and do this. I have my my roof is filthy. We just got through with the big South Texas freeze that everybody heard about, and I'm not going to clean the roof before I do this project. But anyway, I have a plastic scraper because I do have a rubber roof. I have a metal scraper just in case the plastic one won't cut it. I have a heat gun that I'm going to attempt to use to take off the lap sealant that's currently on there, because it's been on there for, this is a 2002, so 19 years. So it may be a little difficult to get off. And I have this. What I don't have is my drill or my ratchet deal. So I'm going to go down and get it. And when I come back, I'll record some more of this video. And it's going to be, I'm going to start taking this stuff off. So that's what you're going to see. All right, so here we go. Let's start taking this stuff off. All but one came off. These were put on at the dealership when I bought this. So this could be a bit of a challenge. I painted this black so that if we wanted to lay down during the day, which Julie and I are firm believers in naps, that we could, it would be nice and dark for us. Hey. All right, there's more. Now, that's gonna take care of these little brackets that held the cover on. And I have sealed this roof before, so I do have some more sealant out in the shed out there, so I may redo that. This some of what's coming up right now is that sealant. And if I were to happen to put a little hole in this, I have some of the Eternabond sealer, which I can put on there, which should take care of any potential issues. But there's all the mounting brackets for that cover, which isn't in great shape anymore. I'm probably not going to keep it. But I'm going to start scraping some of this off. I'll come back when I'm on this side and show y'all what I'm doing. I'm back. I have done most of the stuff already. I don't know, maybe I wanted to experiment before I started videotaping this stuff, but I got most of the sealant off. What I'm doing is I'm using the heat gun on 500 degrees, and I'm moving it around pretty liberally, and I can touch it when it's done, so I'm probably not heating it to 500 degrees. But anyway, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'll start on this corner so you can really get a good view. And I did decide to use the metal scraper. It's going just fine. I haven't nicked the roof or anything, so everything's good. But heating this Dicor up really aids in its removal. It doesn't have to be perfectly clean. And now this is the part that's on the roof, so I only use it when I have to. I can peel most of it, as you can see. So over here, when they put this on, apparently they stretch the rubber or something, because I've got a little bubble right there that I want to be really careful with. Okay, so that's all the screws. Now we're going to see if we can get this thing off with any type of ease. There we go. There we go, and there we go. And there's the putty stuff. We'll use that when we put the main one back on, which I did get it. It came. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. All right, I'm gonna clean this up. When you next see it, it will be very much different and much cleaner than this. So I will bring you back when I'm done cleaning. All right. Well, I got it cleaned up, such as it is. It may not be super clean, but you can only do so much with 19-year-old butyl tape and stuff. So I cleaned it up the best as I could. Anyway, I'm going to show you the fan that I bought. It is the MaxxFan Deluxe, and I'm going to turn the camera around right now and show you the box. All right, here we go. MaxxFan Deluxe. It's the 75K with the smoke lid there at the bottom. It's got 10 speeds, electric lid opening, controls at the ceiling or a remote control. It's got intake or exhaust, and it's got a thermostat. So you can set the thermostat for 75 or whatever, and when it gets above 75 in your camper, it will open up and start blowing air. But anyway, we're going to open this box up. I know you've seen 1,000 unboxings, but I haven't done one on this, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. Lifetime limited warranty, 2-year limited warranty with lifetime limited warranty on the lid. There we go. All right, well, I'll get us set up to unbox it and I'll be back. All right. So let's open up the box. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is just cardboard, I believe. Yes, it is. Off the end of the trailer. Down we go. Oh, and of course, I think I lifted it up from the wrong end. That's okay. Whoa, dude. All right, we got it. That one had stuff in it. That's off the end of the trailer. This is the instructions. This is mounting hardware. Hope you can see that okay. Screws and electrical connections and whatnots. And this is the remote control, which I'm going to drop this down through the hole onto my bed. And we'll get to it in a minute. All right, I'm gonna check out the instructions, see how to put this thing up, and then when I'm not reading instructions to make sure I get everything right, I will turn on the video and I will just demonstrate how to install. This is what they refer to as the roof receiving flange. So seat these little guys down so it'll be less hassle later. These are the little, once you mount this on the roof, then you mount the fan using these for, but right now we're gonna put some butyl tape on here, which I happen to have this much, I'm hoping. If not, I will figure something else out. Time to install. The only thing you need to do is make sure that these are on the sides of the thing and not front to back. That's it. I'm gonna put the Dicor lap sealant self-leveling. You see that okay? That's pretty much the stuff, standard stuff that most people use. All right, I'm gonna do all the screw heads first because it specifically mentions doing the screw heads. Oh, yeah. Self-leveling. Then after I do the screw heads, I'll come back and do the perimeter. Plan on using this whole tube. All right, now I'm going to start doing around. I've got some more of this stuff on the way, so if I decide I want to use more, I'll put more on it. I just won't do it today. All right, so I've given the Dicor about an hour to set up, and now I am going to attach the fan to the mounting attachment. Oh, it's nice and solid. The Dicor did a pretty good job. I may or may not add any to it. But anyway, I'm gonna lay the fan in there and attach it. All right. Here we go. Alright, that one's in. And that side's in. Very nice, yes. Whoops. Bonked it. That's cool. That's cool. I can deal with this. I can deal with this. It's gonna seal it down on there really, really nice. Yep. Pulls it down real nice. See, the screws are at a little bit of an angle, but if you angle them down just a little bit, there we go. Looking good, looking good. All right. And last but not least, pull off this protective and look at it in all its splendor for the last time. Because it's going to get dirty and grungy. But there it is. This is the smoke finish. It's not black, but it is darker. But I've got the shade and LED light combo that goes along with this fan en route. So we'll see how it goes. All right, see you inside. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm going to go inside and close it so that you can see what it looks like when it's closed. So that's what it looks like when it's closed. Completely rainproof. Nice and aerodynamic. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Looks good. All right. Now I will see you inside. All right, so I have turned off the, well, I pulled the fuse for the bedroom. So there's no power up here. So I'm going to hook these wires up over there. All right, let me get the connectors and I will do it to it. What kind of hokey pokey is this? I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but one of the paddle connectors is like completely hollow. There's nothing in it. That's really strange. But anyway, yeah, it's hollow. It's hollow, you can see right through it. Okay, I'll be back. All right, back with you. I decided to go with butt connectors instead of the spades because I've got plenty of wire if I need to change it out or reroute it for some reason. There's plenty here. So I'm not going to sweat it. But I'm going to hook this up. Okay, the black is positive. So the black is going to go into the black wire. I used some Romex, some UF, so it's going to be really nicely insulated. Y'all are going to have to listen because I got to go in the other room. Hopefully, when I connect the power, it's going to go beep according to the instructions. So here we go. Power going on now. Aha! I heard a beep. I did. All right, let's give it a shot with the remote control. Opening the door. And the fan is turning on. It's sucking out. Let's see here. Ah, there we go. Nice. All right. 20, 30, 40. Ah, there's a nice breeze coming in already. 50, 60. Yeah. 70, 80, 90. Here we go, 100%. It's bringing in some pretty good air. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right, let's see here. Turn it off, and the door closes. So here's the remote control, and here are the buttons. Fan on, off. This increases, this decreases. These two set the thermostat temperature, which I haven't messed with yet. This opens and closes the top. Right now you can see the top is open by that symbol. Uh-oh. Didn't connect from out here. There we go. Now it's closing. All right. That's closed. Then I can turn on the fan. And then this, you can see the percentage drop. 10 is as low as it goes. 100%. And then this little button right here switches from air in to air out. We'll do that. It slows down, then it's going to fire back up and be sucking out. There it is. I like the air in. That's why I got it. And then this is the off. Alright, anyway, there it shows the room temperature is 75 and the set temperature is 78. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video in the install of the MaxxFan Deluxe. I'm going to be back in just a little bit and we're going to install another piece of it, which I'll show you when it gets here. And hope you enjoy the video. If you do, give it the old this. If you hated it for whatever reason, give it the old this. And if you liked it, subscribe to it. And I'm Mark with Keto Campers, and we'll be back in the next one.